Let's start with what's inside your saxophone case. Place your case on a flat, sturdy surface and unclip or unzip. Ensure you're lifting the lid of your case to avoid your saxophone falling out. Can you see your shiny saxophone? Perfect! Let's identify the main parts of your saxophone. In your case, you should find the main body, the crook, the mouthpiece cap, and ligature. You will also likely have a small compartment which features a neck strap, 2 pull-through cleaners, cork grease, reeds, and a dust cloth. Great! Now you know all the parts of your saxophone. Before we move on, grab your neck strap and place it around your neck. This will allow you to hook your saxophone to you in the next few videos.